Unit 1 School Clubs.
Hello and welcome to Online Learning with me, Teacher Carlos. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope we will do more with our online classes. So during our online classes, I will be answering questions and any questions you may have regarding your Common Workbook and Student Book. So we'll go ahead and be able to go through that while we have our classes together. And today, with online learning here, the video lesson, we are going to do our workbook. So we will continue doing exercises on our workbook. So today is our wrap-up workbook exercises, and we would work with that on page 8. So if you can take out your workbook, page 8, and this page should look like this. On top it should say Lesson 4 Wrap-Up, and you should see letters A and B. Letters A, look and match. Letter B, read and circle. So we will complete this page and page 9 today. So let's go ahead and get started with letter A. So this is very easy here. So we have here our key vocabularies, which are our school clubs, and what we do in those clubs. So for number 1, build robots. That's what we do. Build robots. So which club do we build robots? And you see there on page 8, number 1, letter A already has the answer for us. So that would be the robotics club. So you want to go ahead and just draw a line to the robotics club. So what do you do in the robotics club? You build robots. Very good. So number 2, what we do, it is the activity. Activity number 2, play instruments. So the activity is play instruments. Which club do we play instruments? And you should know that already, right? So that would be the music club. So go ahead and draw a line to the music club. Just like that. Number 3, the activity is do magic tricks. The activity is do magic tricks. And which school club do we do magic tricks? That would be the magic club. Of course, magic club. So draw a line from do magic tricks to the magic club. Number 4, the activity is perform in plays. Perform in plays. So which club do you perform in plays? Which club? That would be the drama club. Drama club. Very good. You see here the picture of the boy performing in play in the drama club poster. Number 5, the activity is do yoga. Which club do you do yoga? The yoga club. Very good, very easy. And number 6. Number 6 is knit gloves. The activity is knit gloves. You knit gloves in the knitting club. Very good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to letter B. Moving on to letter B. Letter B, read and write, or read and circle, I'm sorry. So we are going to look at the pictures of the students, and we are going to read the sentences and choose the correct word or words that fits the sentence. So let's look at number 1. We see here number 1, there is a girl and it looks like she is in the magic club. She is doing magic tricks. So let's go ahead and read the sentence. So letter A. Which club do or does you like best? So which club do you like best? Or which club does you like best? So which one sounds correct? So if you said do, that is correct. We are going to circle do because we see the word you. Which club do you like best? When we use the word you, we have to say do. Which club do you like best? If we say does, that's when we use the pronouns he or she. So which club does he like best? Which club does she like best? With you, we use do, D-O. Which club do you like best? And letter B. I like the magic club best or the music club best. And again, we saw the picture of the girl in the magic club. So the correct answer is I like the magic club best. Okay, number 2. We have the picture there. It looks like a girl does not like the knitting club. She says nope to knitting. She does not want to knit. So let's go ahead and read the question. The question says, do you like to build robots or do you like to knit gloves? Since the picture shows the knit and the yarn, so it would be knit gloves. Do you like to knit gloves? Letter B. No, I do or no, I don't. So the answer is no. So it would be I do not or I don't. Same thing. No, I don't. She does not like. She does not like the knitting club or the knitting of the gloves. Very good. Number 3. Let's move on to number 3. So we have a boy there and the boy is reading from a paper. Perhaps he is in the drama club. Let's see. Letter A. Which club do he like best? Or which club does he like best? So you remember earlier in the video I said with do we use the word you, do you. With he or she we use does. So which club does he like best? So it looks like it's the drama club, right? So does he like it or does he not like? So he like the drama club best or he likes the drama club best. If you remember, when we use pronouns he or she, the like has an S at the end. So it would be he likes the drama club best. Likes with an S. Likes the drama club best. Number 4, we have a student doing yoga. This student is doing yoga and look at her face. Her face, is she happy or sad? She is not that happy. Not happy, sad. So we have the word here she. If we look at the sentence, so if we use she, do we start the question with do or does? And that would be does. Does she like to do yoga? So it's a like with no S. Why? I thought Teacher Carlos, number 3, the like has an S for he or she. Yes, but this is a question. So the question, like, does not have an S. So the correct way is, does she like to do yoga? Like, no S. Does she like to do yoga? And the answer is no. No, she does, or no, she doesn't. Remember, doesn't is does not. So it would be no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Very good, guys. Let's go on to letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Look and write. So for this exercise here, we have to look at the picture and we have to write questions and answers. So it looks like we have 2 questions and 2 answers for each picture. So let's look at number 1. So number 1, you have 2 students and they are talking to each other, and one is thinking about doing yoga. So let's look at the example questions and answers. So A, B, A, B. So A would be the boy, maybe. A would be the girl, and B would be the boy. So that's who's talking. A is the girl, B is the boy. So the girl would say, which club do you like best? And the boy says, I like the yoga club best. I like the yoga club best. And the girl says, do you like to do yoga? And he says, yes, I do. Yes, I do. So again, the girl says, which club do you like best? The boy says, I like the yoga club best. The girl says, do you like to do yoga? The boy says, yes, I do. So they're going back and forth, talking one another. So let's go on and do number 2. Number 2, we have 3 students. So they're going to be talking about someone else. So here we would use she or he depending on what they're using. So by looking at the picture, we know it's about the knitting club because there is a girl with a knitting and she's knitting yarn. Okay, so let's start with the question. We know we are going to use she because the answer starts with she likes. So what question we can ask? We can ask which club does, because we're using she, which club does she like best? Which club does she like best? And the answer, letter B, starts with she likes. She likes. So what is she doing? She is knitting. So she likes the knitting club best. She likes the knitting club best. What is the second question we can ask? Maybe we can ask if she likes to do the activity. So, does she like to knit gloves? Does she like to knit gloves? And if we look at her face on the picture, she is happy. So we can say letter B, yes, she does. Yes, she does. So the boy and the girl in the back are talking to each other. And they are talking about the girl who likes to knit. Maybe her favorite club is the knitting club. Okay, number 3. So here we have number 3. We have 2 students talking to each other. So we are going to use you and I. So let's take a look at how the question goes. So it looks like the boy is asking the girl about a club, and she does not like the magic club. So if we look at the picture, she does not like the magic club, but she likes the drama club. So let's see what the boy asks. The boy is letter A. Do you like to do magic tricks? So we're talking about the activity in the magic club. Do you like to do magic tricks? Does the girl like to do magic tricks? No, she doesn't. So we ask you. So she would say, no, I don't. No, I don't. And the boy would ask, which club do you like best? And she would say, I like the drama club best. I like the drama club best. I like to perform in plays. So that is the activity in the drama club. I like to perform in plays. And the last one, number 4, we have two students here. And we're gonna ask, it looks like the boy, it looks like he doesn't like to play magic. He doesn't like to play music. Music. He doesn't like to play an instrument. It looks like he likes to build robots. So, the question, let's start with the question. The answer, letter B, is no, he doesn't. So, maybe we can ask if he likes to play instruments. So, letter A would be does, because we're using he, does he like to play instruments? Does he like to play instruments? And the answer there, B, no, he doesn't. So let's see, which club, letter A, we could ask a second question, which club does he like best? And the answer that could be, he likes the robotics club best. And we can continue. He likes to build robots. He likes to build robots. All right, very good. So make sure you review and reread the sentences and see how the question is answered. Okay, so just review these questions and answers and memorize how these sentences are made. Okay, so do not forget, we use do for you, we use does for he or she. And when we answer he likes, it's like with an S. If it's I like, no S, only he or she. And not if it's a question. Does he like to play instruments? No, he doesn't. All right. So, very good. I thank you for today, and I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me, Teacher Carlos, with online videos. Thank you.